Here's how we can close background apps on Nothing Phone 3. So if you use 3 buttons for navigation, then you need to press this square button. But if you use gestures for navigation, then you need to swipe from the bottom over here towards the middle and then hold for like a second. You should avoid swiping all the way towards the top if you have an app open, because you might open the app in the pop-up view by accident. So once we are here, in order to close a background app, if you want to close just one background app, you can just simply swipe it up. You can also swipe all the way to the maximum left side in order to find the clear all button. And you can also press and hold your finger on one of these apps. And then once you hide all these apps behind that one selected, you can swipe up in order to clear everything as it is written over here. So you can do something like this in order to also close all background apps at once. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.